Working on the Chrysler 300 yesterday. Nice little car. Customer complaint. Car cranks, no start. He thinks it's a starter. I let him know 100% it's not a starter because the car does crank. 9 times out of 10, when a starter is bad, a car will not even attempt to crank. So I'm going to show y'all today how to diagnose if it's a fuel pump, which I believe it is. I'm going to show you how to diagnose it. It's very simple. First, you on whatever car you got, you take off the intake boot that goes up into the throttle body. In this case, I've already loosened this up here, so I just wiggle it off some. Give me 1 second, I'm using one hand here. Wiggle that off some, and you take starter fluid. You can get it from anywhere, even gas station sell it. It might be a little more expensive at the gas station. I don't know if you need to, but I like to shake it up a little bit just because, you know what I'm saying? You just spray some in there. You don't really need much, but you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Once you got it spread up in there, you want to reattach that intake boot. Get it back on there a little nice and tight. I'm using one hand, so it's a little hard right now. Cool. You're gonna remove the starter fluid from the engine just in case. You'll take it with you. Put it down right here. We're gonna come back to the car. We're gonna try to start the car again. See how the car starts, but it dies off. 9 times out of 10, that's a bad fuel pump right there.